Raja. He's the one that's... God. He loves that bear. That's like his thing. Yeah, Grandpa.
Wow. You really like that bear. You like that bear? Is that your favorite bear?
Hey, Mr. Bear.
Is that your favorite bear? Is that your favorite bear? Look at that smile. There you go. There you go. That's a nice smile you get there. I like that smile. Yeah. You got that smile from your great grandma. Yes, you did. Yeah. Yeah. That's a pleasant smile. You know? Yeah, I know. That's a pleasant smile. Wow. Look at that bear. Look at that bear. Look at that bear. So I just love that bear, Grandpa. So I love that bear.